Okay. I got this message, so this is just for, this might be for someone specific. It also might be for a few people with different messages, okay? Um, the more you evolve on this path, the more detailed this information becomes. So you could get bits and pieces that align, but unless I look at your field, there's no way to know all the ins and outs, okay? And if you don't understand your field, so you don't want to take something that isn't yours, obviously. So there's a lot of stuff in here, so this could be for someone in the academy, I'm not sure. But what I'm seeing here is somebody feels as though they are embodying ninth density, okay? So ninth density is the frequencies of, I think it's, what is it, the 48 to 64 point Merkaba structure, okay? And what they're coming through to say is that you are not embodying this right now, okay? And the reason why this is important is because you understanding realistically where you're at allows you to progress with grace and ease and simplicity instead of ego, okay? So that's why this is coming through. There is a huge shift happening here. This person is actually activating, or should be activating, the Merkaba. So if you're in the school and this message resonates, I would do the Merkaba activation. That actually came through a couple times. Okay, Merkaba can be activated around 2500 kilohertz, okay, not before. It can be activated later than that as well, okay. The main thing here is that the physical body is not prepared to anchor 90 frequencies, okay. So if you're moving a little too fast on the trajectory, it will create issues in the nervous system. If you start trying to anchor 90 frequencies before your physical vessel is prepared, you will fry your system, okay. So we have to go step by step on this, okay. You are going through a DNA activation, okay, so it may feel like you went through this rapid rise, especially for you guys that just shifted onto the higher timeline, okay. You could feel these DNA activations, these expansions, etc., and you don't want to read into them to the point where you're misreading your embodiment, your stabilization, because that will just cause problems down the road, okay. And there's no rush here, okay. This, for many people, this takes lifetimes to move through, okay. And the reason is because we didn't have the map. Now we have the map, so now we just have to stabilize, okay. I built the map. I also built the paths to move through the landscape, okay, of the map. The light bodies are the vehicles that get you into the more complex terrain, okay. You have to activate those light bodies or those vehicles to allow your consciousness into those spaces, okay. So I built the map and the path to activate the light bodies that allow you to move to the more complex conscious terrains, okay. There's a lot of really high frequency energy here, and what's being recommended is that you guys tune into primal sound within the physical body, okay. The vessel work with the physical body is really important. The frequencies, feeling the frequencies when you do the meditations, when you do the ascension work, that's how the body purifies and how you connect to the light body, okay. There is a need to connect to unity and seeing source and God in all things, to connect to the consciousness that exists everywhere around you. There is nothing that does not exude or expand source consciousness, and when you connect to that specific frequency, everything else can expand, okay. Doesn't mean you dismiss, ignore, or block darkness or density, because that will just distort your understanding of reality, okay. It can also create weaknesses within your field, distortions on your path, understanding, etc. You have to see all of it, the light and the dark, as source, okay. But know what goes where and why it goes there. That makes sense. Some of you guys are part of the Gold Order. Gold Order is primal sound, the seraphim, the divine child, Christ consciousness. It's the emanation of pure source directly from the core of source, okay? Some of you guys are time-space travelers, are back here from the future. So your future self is giving you a message to not look too far into the future, too far into the past, but just be in the present moment right now. All of this is revolving around that present understanding of a slow, steady path, okay? Some of you guys are direct channels for pure source energy as well, okay? There is a shift as you ground and anchor. There's a shift in abundance, a flow of material abundance, but source flow, source energy, okay? And earth souls, people that's consciousness or souls were actually birthed through the earth plane, there is going to be an abundance of energy and frequency coming to those. This actually could have started last October through February, or is going to start or culminate in October or February, okay? There's a lot of work here that's recommended for the prep school, the 5D quantum attunement, Ascension Mastery Phase 6, Part 2. This is about purifying, balance, and aligning the embody chakras, so both of these need to be done. 5D quantum attunement, I know this is backwards. I'm recording on TikTok, that's why. The crystal white fire, this actually goes in and purifies with a really, really beautiful crystalline energy in the field. That could be needed. That will actually help you attune the physical body with the field. We have quite a few Ascension Mastery classes recommended, speaking about the higher gateways and the Merkaba again. So this might be recommended for you guys in there. And then color breathing, okay? So anyone can do color breathing. This helps open and align your chakras, okay? Clearing all of them out and then infusing them with high vibrational energy. And then also, for those of you guys that might be confused on how you move into the higher timeline, what needs to happen, focus on the purity of the heart, okay? If your heart is pure, you'll be able to anchor into the 5D core pretty easily, okay? It's accessible to anybody right now. You don't have to necessarily do the work in the school. That just helps anchor you. It's a pretty complex transition. So the work in there is helpful, but you don't have to use that, okay? So just make sure your heart is pure. You can work with the imagery of a diamond heart, diamond frequencies in the heart space, and then grounding into the aqua core, and that would be helpful for you, okay? So I hope that was helpful. And last message, there's a lot of angelic support around you guys, okay? So know that, ask for help and support if you need it, and that will be given. Okay, sending love, bye.